Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Unicook Round Pizza Stone. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Unicook Round Pizza Stone. It measures 10¼ inches or approximately 26 centimeters in diameter and is made of Cordierite. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by pulling out the tab that's keeping the box flap securely shut and lifting up that box flap to show you the contents inside. So let's go ahead and remove the contents from the box packaging. So there are a set of papers and what appears to be a scraper. And let's lift the inner foam protective packaging off to reveal the Unicook Round Pizza Stone inside. Let's pop it out from its protective packaging and making sure nothing else is left behind. We can set the round pizza stone on the tabletop and just closing up the outer box packaging. And setting that to the side, let's set it on the right hand side of the frame. So right there. And laying the contents out so you have a nice full detailed look at the items from this Unicook Round Pizza Stone's box packaging. Okay, so let's start off by taking a look at the papers. It does come with two sets of papers. This is the first piece, which is a thank you note and some support contact details. We can set that down on the right hand side of the frame and moving right along to the bigger sheet right here, an A4 size sheet. And taking a close-up look at the details here. So these are instructions on how to use the pizza stone. So over there for your reference purposes. Okay, so setting that down and moving right along to the packet here. So there is a clear plastic packet with what appears to be a plastic scraper or scraper. Let's pop it out from its clear plastic packet and take a look at it in close-up detail. So we can see that it does have the Unicook branding, and just to give you some idea of the size, resting in my palm and of course setting it down on the pizza stone itself to give you an idea of this scraper. So it is a multi-purpose scraper, and it does have a sharp edge to it for scraping, of course, right along the two sides and of course the larger curved side of the scraper. Actually, all four sides have a kind of knife edge to the design for scraping. Okay, so setting that scraper down and moving right along to the pizza stone itself, which is made of Cordierite, and you could hear that nice clinky sound that it makes. So it is approximately ½ inch thick, or about 1.2 centimeters thick, and just giving you a look right there. And of course, to give you some idea of the size as well. And it does have the Unicook branding in the middle on one side of it. So setting it down and placing my hand on top of it, So measuring 10¼ inch in diameter, so from the furthest point across both sides or end to end, 26 centimeters or approximately 10¼ inches. So that's about a small pizza size. And giving you a close-up look as to the detail and texture of this pizza stone or oven baking stone made from Cordierite. So we can see that the edges are slightly beveled right around the entire rim or circumference of this pizza stone. And in terms of porosity, just giving you a look right there, it does have an extremely fine surface on both sides and along the outer side as well. So giving you that close-up look in terms of the material. And of course we see that Unicook branding on one side of this pizza stone. To give you some idea of the density of the stone, so it does have a nice weight to it. And it does have that very light cream color. And of course, nice and round with its 10¼ inch diameter. And just giving you one more close-up look to the surface of this round pizza stone from Unicook. And giving you another look as to the surface, the very fine surface and texture of this pizza stone. So that's the Unicook Round Pizza Stone. Thanks for watching and happy baking!